Good morning, ma'am. I am Ashrit. Today I tell in the English crocodile and monkey story. Once upon a time, the crocodile is there. Is go to one tree, and the monkey is there. The monkey is eating berries, sweet berries, and monkey is trying for give crocodile berries, sweet berries, and crocodile said, "Monkey, give that berries me. I am so hungry." And the monkey gave it and eating. After that, there are good friends. There are best friends. One day, the crocodile get it for sweet berries for her wife, and get it, and her wife get that monkey. I want to kill and I want to eat her heart. And crocodile saying, "No, no, the monkey is my best friend." And crocodile go and get it monkey. Crocodile come at tree, and crocodile say, "Monkey, my wife is calling for my dinner." And go the monkeys go it, and crocodile say bad news. Monkey, sorry, my wife is killing you, and he's eating your heart. And monkey say, crocodile say, crocodile, my heart is on the tree, and go and get it. Crocodile go to back tree, and monkey go to tree, and after that the story is finished.
What is the moral of the story?
Moral of story is, when we are in trouble, we have to intelligent, and we have to save our that
Life.
that crocodile wife.
Okay.
That is the story.
We should not get
We
scared.
have
We
to
should
not get scared.
Very-
There are getting but scared. Okay, bye bye. See you next time.